Go.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I want to introduce myself. I'm Jennifer Garcia, 32 years old from Philippines. I'm married. I have one son, 15 years old. My height is 150 centimeter. My weight is 69 kg. My past job is 7 years in a five with the five members of the family, 5 rooms, 5 toilet, 2 living room, 1 kitchen. I'm taking care of the child, 3 years old, 1 years old, and 8 months old. Um, uh, my main job is to taking care of the kids, especially the newborn babies. I can wash the baby bottle, I can cook the food, I can go to the market. I wash the clothes, I iron the clothes, and I'm willing to learn, and I'm fast learner.